Kalilong introduce sa akin ng Blackwater Women itong Whimsy collection. Sabi ko, naghahanap ako ng parang medyo vanilla-ish na scent. So, ang perfect ng Whimsy din talaga. Tapos, ang cool. Nakita niyo yung pang-spray niya. Parang ring type yung spray niya. Kakaiba talaga, no?
It's new in the market.
Yes, it is.
Also.
Yes, oo. So, tayo pa lang ang unang makaka-experience niyan. At ang gaganda ng kulay, di ba? Para mga cotton candy.
Actually, bagay na bagay
Very
sa'yo.
like this, di ba?
Exactly. So not
Correct.
only do you smell good, you look good, and of course, perfect ka talaga for BW Women. And syempre, your best self every day. Yun talaga yung motto natin sa BW Women. Now, the question is though, since we're already here, magchichikan kami for like a couple of minutes. So if you guys have any questions, bulong nyo na lang sa akin mamaya. But anyway, maraming salamat for joining us, each and every single one of you here as well. We will be opening the doors in just a little while. But now, enjoy. I'll leave you guys be. I'll see you guys in just a bit. Thank you.
Ayun na. Wala na.
Nakalimutan ko dahil sa trabaho. Na-override ko sa utak.
Want to make a change? BW, your best